Hello, maintenance and operations enthusiasts! Welcome to another episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, the show where we explore and break down the complex world of maintenance and reliability. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we have a real treat for you. We're talking with Torbjörn Idhammar, President and CEO of IDCON Inc. With over 25 years of experience in more than 60 plants across 15 countries, Torbjörn is a wellspring of wisdom. Stay tuned for key takeaways on implementing effective preventive maintenance programs, common pitfalls to avoid, and the exciting future of AI in maintenance. Now let's get into our conversation with Torbjörn. He started with discussing the crucial steps for implementing a more effective preventive maintenance program. He emphasized the importance of not just diving into documenting preventive maintenance activities, but also engaging in thorough project management. This includes defining the scope of your preventive maintenance, deciding on the involvement of operators, and ensuring management is fully on board. A standout point was the need for a solid project plan that communicates the costs and expected benefits to management. Torbjörn also shared significant insights around the documentation of preventive maintenance. He argues that it's not just about having a document, it's about reviewing and systematizing the process. This means integrating preventive maintenance into your existing systems, like CMMS, and ensuring it's accessible and practical for those on the ground. Training and management education are also pivotal to ensure everyone is up to speed. We then shifted to common pitfalls in preventive maintenance implementation. Torbjörn highlighted the frequent oversight of not providing adequate resources and the tendency to treat preventive maintenance as merely a documentation exercise. He also touched on the challenges of systematization and the critical issue of actually fixing the problems identified during preventive maintenance checks. Looking to the future, Torbjörn expressed excitement about the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in preventive maintenance. He predicts that these technologies will significantly change our approach by enabling systems to learn from patterns and predict failures more accurately. Torbjörn stressed the importance of execution in his closing remarks. It's not enough to know what to do. The real challenge is doing it effectively and consistently. This requires commitment not just from maintenance teams, but also from management to ensure that preventive maintenance routines are followed and that issues are promptly addressed. And that brings us to the end of our conversation with Torbjörn Idhammar. In this episode, we've learned about the importance of effective preventive maintenance programs, common pitfalls to avoid, and the exciting future of AI in maintenance. A big thank you for tuning in. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and expert advice. For more resources, and to learn how Upkeep can help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep optimizing and innovating in your maintenance and reliability initiatives.